Ang isa bala ka gay nga lalaki, do you also dream of having a life partner?
Well, I don't consider myself, sir, having a partner.
Why so?
I've been so strong enough facing all the life battles alone. So if he can't add glitters or sparkles to the way I shine, then he better watch me or admire me from afar. Kaya kung wala ka man lang maidugang sa akon nga kabuhi, wala ka man lang mabulig sa akon, sagod na lang ko karabaw. At least, nakaarado na ko na may pang tubo sa akon katubuhan.
This episode is powered by DTX 500 and Clinica D3 Bio.
I used to call you Ferdinand. You are now?
Maria Precious Gruspe.
Wow, Maria Precious Gruspe. Proud Victoriahanon.
Yes, sir.
Wow. But you are now based in
Manila, Quezon City.
Quezon City. My former city. Nag-ubra ko dito for several years. Miss the place. Din ka sa Mother Ignacia.
Somewhere along Scout Borromeo, sir.
Ah, sa Scout?
Sa Scout Borromeo.
Ah, so meaning ang gwa mo, Tomas Moratoged.
Opo.
Wow, nami panggimikan to. Ang Morato, hindi na.
Pag may budget ka, go. Pero if not, law ay mag-gimmick.
Well, of course, it's QC. So you have to pay left and right, ano?
Yes.
Kung mag-gimmick ka. But how is it? How's QC compared to Victoria City?
Well, there's a thing that you can't buy
Which is?
when it comes to your peace and tranquility that you're living within the city. So, kumbaga, you can have all of the things in Quezon City because everything is convenient. However, convenience will never pay the peace that you're having when it comes to living in the countryside.
Namian ko sin nga view. You are living in what barangay sa Victorias?
Barangay 6.
Barangay 6.
Yes.
Which is somewhere...
Just right beside of the Our Lady of Victory Parish Church.
Ah, sa likod sa Yapkinya subdivision na Lusot.
Yapkinya is right beside, left beside. So we're here right beside at the back of the Rainbow Mall.
Oh. So Barangay 6 to from
Lopez
Barangay 6 to
subdivision.
from Barangay 6 to Mother Ignacia ka to Scout Borromeo.
Yes, sir.
Barangay ano ka to?
Barangay South Triangle po.
South Triangle. Yeah, de. Sa una, taga din ka, taga Barangay 6 Subong niya, taga South Triangle. Kung alog, Triangle, di
True.
ba?
South Triangle. Pag
Triangle.
Bisaya, Triangle.
Na
It
mismong
depends.
Baguneta,
Yes, sir.
tuod ka? Wow. Anong na-miss mo sa Baguneta?
Sorry.
Anong na-miss mo sa Baguneta?
Baguneta.
Sa Victorias?
Okay. Sa Victorias. Aside
Ang
from...
Baguneta, lang ginasakyan, nga ginaguyod ka kabayo. Anong na-miss mo?
Aside from those simple life, good sir, na-miss ko ang takway, na-miss ko panguha sa tupad balay naman sa mga balunggay, sa mga simple balang nga butang nga hindi mo maubra sa Manila. So for me, amo nang kaka-enjoy ko kay tungod nga pagara ko ang kanubuon sang presyo, makita mo gid kag buko, way labot da ang mahidlawan mo gid ang preska nga hangin, ang mga kaingod mo nga may labot gid sa imo. Because when you're living in a highly urbanized city though, you just have to mind your own. Like, wala ka gid sang may
You live
maubra.
alone dito?
Yes, sir. I'm living
Oh.
independently in Quezon City.
Apartment. And to think, mahal sa QC. Ang living space. Guwapo, Mayor ka, Victoria, sa mong hindi.
Wala ko pa nakita, sir.
Personal. Si Mayor, no.
Mayor Javi
Ang congressman, guwapo hindi.
Mayor Javi.
Yeah.
Yes, guwapo.
Proud ka magambal nga congressman mo si Congressman Happy.
Of course.
Guwapo siya, hindi.
Guwapo gid man.
Doon. Di, anong guwapo kay Congressman Happy?
I think tall siya abe tapos do makita mo gid bala nga mayara gid nga attractive siya nga mata. So, kinakaupod ko naman siya before. Sang ga-set up pa lang siya sang fan run niya. So, nakita ko gid siya lapitanay nami ang panit. Do katinlo balahaw. So, something very attractive sa isa ka individual is the neatness and cleanliness. gid.
Oh, wow. Attractive siya for gays.
It depends because not all gays have the same taste.
Pero damo gays, gawti ka niya ka shumit.
It depends. It depends. Depende. Kay merang iban, they just like it dusky and moreno.
Dusky.
Yeah, but there's
Magamba ka
some
dusky kung sa aton pa mailom-ilomon.
Oo.
Anong namin sa mailom-ilomon now?
Guro, ang biro-biro, guro. Naingit sila sa biro, sa tamburungan.
Kung mailom-ilomon, kisang kakadumduman ko, tinanok na sabay. Tidaw mo na?
Doon ka mo na, guro. Kaya may mga amiga kong gamba sila, gusto ko dahil ang higko. Anong higko na namin? May do gabiro-birong siko dahil kuti. It depends. It depends with their taste, actually.
Now, this is not to denigrate sang aton mga kautunan sa LGBT, of which you are one, ano? But does it make a difference if someone calls you trans or someone calls you agi? Does it make a difference?
I don't think so, because not everyone is really aware of the LGBTQ community, or they know whatever sexuality you are. So I don't think so, and wala gid ko ga judge sa ila if they can't address me properly, because not everyone is really aware of trans, not everyone is aware of gay, pero sa mga dumaan niya, ang pagkabalo nilang agi kagang trans isa lang. But we should always remember that ang agi or gay is an umbrella term for all the LGBTQ community. So why would you be offended?
Interesting. Explain a bit. When you
So,
say gay, it's basically
gay,
the equivalent of LGBT.
it's the umbrella term for
Yeah.
trans and whatever. So if that's what I think, that's what I have heard, that gay is the umbrella term, right? So for me, if hindi sila kabalo sang term nga pagtawag sa trans o kung ano da, so agi ang pagka ano sa mga dumaan, and why would I be offended if amo lang nang ilangan na himangan? So if instead of being rude or mean to them, why not understand that not everyone is nga natagaan gid sang idea or information how those differed, 'di ba? So
I
hindi
was
tanan.
quite surprised sang ginambalan mo ko nga, by the way, for those who are watching right now, gin-invite ta ka as Maria Precious because you introduced yourself as a fashion designer. And I was interested about that. Until paglabot nimo diri, nalipat ko ikaw gali si Ferdinand Gruspe,
Sir.
nga taga Victorias. And you are now how old?
Sorry.
You are how old?
I'm 25 years old.
35. But you're now living the life in the big city, sa Manila ka na. Sa panawag siya ba siya sa Manila na siya?
Yeah.
Social na siya. But you're living the life. What I like about you, Precious, is that you still yearn, you still miss the country life. Nga.
I think you can never go back to what goes beyond if you will never look back to where you came from. So you need to always look back to the humble beginnings. Because kung hindi ka mag-look back sa imong hinalinan, base malipat ka, kag tagaan ka pa sang mas damo nga grasya sang Ginoo, kag nangin ang grateful ka, kag ginkalipatan mo kung sino kag ano kagid, base maging dalok kag magamay ang grasya nga ibugay sa imo. So for me, you always need to be grateful, to humble yourself, to look back nga before mo na-reach ang amo nga level, you need to go back to where you came from, gid. Kaya syempre, you will never be the person who you are without looking to your past. So, feeling ko, amugid na nga gabalik-balik ko di sa Bacolod, sa Negros, to humilify myself from all of the experiences, because I don't want to be blinded by lights, by the popularity, or the anything that makes me along the that is on my way. So, do sa ara sa akon, sir, do gusto ko gyapon nga mabatyagan kung ano ko sang una, kag kung sinugid ko, kay kung kisa akong matagaan ta dagko nga opportunities, gadako man ang ulo ta. It's very inevitable, and for me, dapat gid nga mag-look back kag mag-reflect kung ano kagid sang una.
That is very deep, to not be blinded by the light. But do you know nga it's actually a line from a song sa playing Jekyll and Hyde, kung hindi ko magsala, or Hunchback of Notre Dame. Anyway, that's deep, to not be blinded by the light. Gaka bulag ang tao usually sa kadulom eh. Iniya light ang mga bulag sa imo, di ba?
Yes,
That
it's
is very
very
deep.
deep.
That is very deep. Para sa isa ka 25 anyos, nga nagdalom ka, Preciosaw.
For me, Abby, sir, way back when I was a kid, I used to read a lot of books. And there's no one who's going to teach me because we're in a broken family. My mom is living in Negros, and my father is working from far away. And I'm only left with my grandparents. So they're not also educated enough. They're not really equipped with knowledge. So I told to myself, to my little old self, that I wanted to equip myself with enough knowledge that I don't need to deprive myself of something that I deserve. So wala sila iniskwelahan, gidman ang akong grandparents. So I tried to read and read and read and read until I was able to gain knowledge and wisdom.
What's the first book na madumduman mo?
Encyclopedia.
Wow! Grabe ka.
Encyclopedia.
For those nga kabataan nga galantaw, subong encyclopedia is a foreign word.
So, bisan hindi ko makabalo magbasa, there's a syllabication.
Wow.
So, that's the way I have learned to read. So, before Abby, may family books kami, though collections ang books. Amo na siyang ginabasa ko sa balay.
Wow.
Tapos mga cookbook until dito ko dayon na-develop ang akon nga kwan, pagbasa.
For those who don't understand, sa una magambal ka anong meaning sini ang hambal sang ginikanan mong itaas sa encyclopedia, di ba? Subong niya ang term i-google mo.
AI na.
Diba?
Chat
Or
GPT.
AI ba? O Diyos ko, ginoo ko, kakulubaan. I-AI mo. Wow. But that's very interesting because you are supposed to be part of the millennial generation.
Yes,
but
sir.
you still remember sina nga mga butang. But we have digressed actually sa purpose ng interview. Ang purpose ng sining interview is to talk about your life as a designer. So, good tabi, may atelier ka nagali sa Manila.
Yes, sir. It was a small
Explain
space.
ano yung
not-
bigamay, ano when you say atelier?
Actually, gaka misinterpret ka mga tao that when it comes to atelier, it's like a showroom, but it's not. An atelier is an artist working space, whereas dira gakatabo ang process, ang mga kwan. So, though namian lang sila bisang term na ginagamit nilang atelier as
Yeah.
though,
Oy, pero ang sports
it's
car sa Italia, wala niya sa
It's casa, I think.
kasa. Ang may ara sila yung atelier.
Yeah. So
Grabe,
it's
no?
yeah, kay casa is like a showroom to be specific. While atelier is a working spot or space ang artist. So they gina-painting, ginaobra mga
May ara ka
bayo.
gina?
It's a house, sir. That's why I call it atelier.
Yeah,
Kay kung commercial space, mas mungga na yan. Kung atelier, gin pa namin ilang space nga olobrahan. It's
Nanamian ko kay
it's about
Kaprangka sa
marketing
imo.
and branding.
Nanamian ko because you're bringing the conversation back to the ground, no? Kiting iba niya siya atelier niya.
Yeah.
Atelier niya, muna bla. Pero ang tuod sina ang atelier, it could be the kusina sang imo balay.
Yes.
It could be the living room. Basta kung diin ka nag-aobra, that's your atelier.
Gin
Sa-
pa namin ilang nga term.
No. Ito ka social gid man, no?
Oo.
Atelier. Pero ang tuod na salas. Or
Working
whatever.
area, yes,
Basta
whatever
kobra ka
working
da.
spot.
Wow. Pero how does it feel to be in Manila na subong? Doing what you love. But Danay, nga nagkadto ka, nga na-attract ka to designing clothes.
I was born and raised by seamstress mother. That's why. So, bata pa lang ko, ang ginauyatan ko na retaso.
Ooh.
So, all of the remnants of fabrics nga ginahaboya, I try to collect them. And ang bago na siya, mapanaguan ko niya, bala mga tela. Tapos ginapanahi-tahi ko, mga bayo kamunika. Tapos kung ano, as in ka-practice ko, gakakita ko. And gamay pa lang ko, si mama ko nabing
Wow.
gina-look up ko. So, muna nga ambal ko, when I grow up, gusto ko gid nga maging designer.
Oh.
So, pero actually, sir, being a designer, it has
Pero
been
Danay, pilang edad mo sa nagsugod ka tay-tay?
5 years old po,
Five?
sir. 5.
Pero mga munika mo, may mga backless na guro yung nga gown.
Wala pa, sir. Mga ano lang, mga tube-tube lang, mga gainat-inat. Tamo na. Tapos hasta nga mga 6 ko, gapatudlo na ako kay mama.
Anong pinakahapos nga bayo nga i-design kag i-bordahon?
For me, sir, mga ano man lang, mga RTW outfits or mga Filipiniana, like mga kamisa, something mga muna. Kay they're only flowy and basic lang ang patterns
Flowy.
niya.
Meaning gailig lang.
Yes.
Aha. Hapos na?
Yes, sir.
Pasensya ang ako niya, kabalo ko pang repair lang sang maong, yung mga gisi, bla, running stitch, ano pa na gani panawag na? Inang daw cross-stitch.
Cross-stitch. And
Para
then
hindi lang
types of
mag-isip, balang mga
stitches.
maong. Anyway, very, very interesting. Ari, kapano ka magborda?
Yes, sir.
For those who don't understand, because ang borda subong has acquired a different meaning sa street lingo, di ba?
Yes.
Kaya nagborda naman to sila. Diba? Diba?
Yes.
But sang una, when you say borda, ano ang buot silingon sina?
When we say Buddha, it's a technique and a various way of people in a specific area where they're using it to create design with the use of thread and needle by the use of hand.
Wow.
So, it depends, abi sir. There's some embroidery with the use of beads. Pero sa bungabi, we no longer use for manual embroidery. We have machineries
Machine.
na
Ano ganun pa na? Sewing machine.
No, sir. I think, ano na siya, ano ni ganing panawag, embroidery machine,
Mayarap
which is
yan.
famous in Lumban, nga
Oh.
you just have to design your outline or
Wow.
your graphics on computer, tapos ipasulod mo na lang na
Mm-hmm. Wow.
siya sa machine, tapos ang machine na ang mahikot sang embroidery sa tela.
This episode is brought to you by Falcor Marketing Corporation, Grace Pharmacy, and Park Inn by Radisson Bacolod.
So, subong nila ina, magamba, ay
Yes.
nagpaborda naman to siya, oh. Diba? Nag-sex na actually.
Yes.
Nabatian ko na sa gay community.
Gay
Gidi.
community.
Nagpaborda ka naman gabi,
Yes.
di ba? Muna siya. So, it has a different meaning. Very, very interesting. So, can we say nga ang mother inspiration mo, Gid, is actually your mother?
Yes, sir.
Wow. Ano, si mami mo is still around?
Yes, sir.
Di ano nga balya sa nakita, kang designer ka na?
Actually, hindi man gid siya very affectionate and she's not very full of words. But I know, deep inside, she's proud of me. Kaya ang mama ko, hindi siya vitikalon. Like, she knows that I'm doing my best. And bisan hindi siya maghambal something about what I am doing. I know she's very happy. Kaya I've been really crying since I was in high school or senior high because I don't really know what is my purpose in life until I became a designer. And I know she's very happy right now.
Wow. Wow. Pero, siya actually, may tinudlo gid siya sa imo parte sa
Yes,
pagtahi.
sir. Yes.
Anong una mo nga natunan nga stitch?
Ang nauna ko nga tunan nga stitch was running stitch.
Running stitch.
Running stitch. Kaya mo nang pinaka-basic nga
Correct.
magtakod-takod lang sang dagom kag hilo.
For those who don't understand, ang running stitch, amo ni ang daw foundation sang tanan nga stitch. Para ang duwa ka tela hindi magbulag.
Yes, not from binding.
Anong term na? Binding?
Binding.
Wow. Wow. Very, very interesting. Okay, so, when was the first time nga nag-design ka gid?
I first designed my sister's outfit sa iyang nga buwan ng wika. Sa nga pa kami sa Victorias. So, mga grade 6 ko, sir. Siyempre, balay lang kami, wala kami kwarta nga inogrenta sa mga bongga nga bayo. So, mga ritaso nga gakalabilin sa mga
Wow.
kliyente namon kung kisa ginaidiyahan namon ni mama nga amo ning ubrahonta. So, I think it's more of sustainable fashion as well. So, amo to, at the age of, 12 or 11, I think, naka-design ako for my sister.
Wow. When you say sustainable fashion, subong ito daw, wow, ka-sustainable fashion, sa una it was a matter of practicality. May ritaso nga tela, anon mo na, ihaboy mo, sunugon mo, mo bayo. Make sense, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Subong niya, ka-sustainable fashion, pero hindi na maintindihan ang tahi. Di
Yes.
ba?
And actually, Abby, sir, when we say sustainable fashion, I don't think that it's only about using remnants of fabric.
Correct.
I think when we say sustainable, it's about the longevity of the garment itself. Kaya we could say nga, retasong gingamit. Pero how long will it run? So, despite being used nga garment, na ang garment gingamitan sang retaso, if hindi siya magdugay, it will never be sustainable because sustainable means to last.
And ang affordability man at the
Yes.
same time. I like our conversation so far because you're talking to me in the specifics, di ba? You are not a gay person, talking about rights, struggles, di ba? Ang ginistoryahan mo yung pangabuhi. Pero has it ever occurred to you nga I am marginalized, nga ginadiscriminate ako?
Well, actually, sir, you will only feel discriminated and abused if you allow yourself to.
Why so?
Because if you let things to affect you, you will feel. But if you really oppose and not allow yourself to feel those things, you will never feel discriminated. So you don't need to mind, you don't need to handle every single people throwing along your way or ruining your parade. So everyone who's raining on your parade shouldn't be tolerated or shouldn't be given an attention to. Kaya the moment that you give an attention to them, that's the only thing that you will be bothered by their presence. So kumbaga, you just don't need to mind them.
Pero is it really true nga oppressed and exploited ang mga agiaw?
Well, I don't think so. I'm not in the position to say, but it depends on the people. Where are they at? Because I could say that on my place, I was given an opportunity, but there are some people who's not given such an opportunity or any platform. But after all, I do firmly believe that we create our own platform and space. We create our own opportunity. So I don't think that oppression only happens when we choose not to make them. And when we choose to be feel nga gina-oppress kita. So I think na there is an oppression, but you need to fight and you need to keep up if ano gid ang gusto mo nga malambot sa kabuhi, because I think those are normal challenges.
Kadamo sa mga bill nga ginistoryahan ta kaina, although of course I don't think we're at liberty to discuss them. Kaya basi ang ending sinibla ikaw yung imab. Pero as I have pointed out, ang pinaka-importante nga bill sa kabuhi duha, the power bill and the and the water bill. And ina subong ginatingwaan mo na nga bayran. Every month.
Yes. Kaya kung hindi mo pagbaydan, utdan ka.
That's why. So, life is hard. Hindi ta pag-idingot ina sa kabataan.
Yes.
But ang gina-impress kon kay isa sa kabataan, ginatanom sa ila panguna-una is, okay na singgitan ng kamo sa dalan, okay na. Especially kung agi kamo, tumboy kamo, o pila na kabilog gender, subong, 32 kabilog sa New York.
I think I'm not really aware. I don't know.
Gasakit ulo ko. Sa tuod lang. May ara gani ko yung nakilala nga pansexual. Nga pati auto gali. Pwede maluyag ka sa auto. Dugalibog ulo ko. Anyway. I'll go back to you. Kamusta subong ang imo pagka-designer dito sa QC?
Well, I could really say, sir, that I am very overwhelmed with the opportunities coming along my way, because I just started launching myself as a fashion designer during January this year. And then, though nagdamo ng projects ko, because I'm really a frustrated artist. So I'm really crying every night. Kay I left Bacolod hoping to dress up the celebrities in Manila. Yeah. But then, God has another way or different plan.
May na-dress up ka nga celebrity?
Wala, gid ko may nabayuan nga celebrity nga local, sir. So, ang handom ko lang gid is, Lord, tani, gailang ko mga sikat nga artista sa ABS or GMA. However, wala ginhatag sang Ginoo sa akon, but I landed with the Hollywood stars, handling them. I work with Neo, Nicole Scherzinger of Pussycat Dolls,
wow.
Apple the App, Black Eyed Peas, and
Apple the App?
Yes, sir. And wala dalabot, si Sandara Park, and other Hollywood artists.
Ti istorya ko ba si Neo, ti Kalon buot?
Hindi, sir. Actually, working with international people, they are very different with the culture of Filipino. Kaya tungod nga, if I'm done with my job, all I need to do is maglantaw na lang sang concert or sang event. Pero pag Pinoy, you're really overworked. You need to go beyond the things like you need to assist the artist the whole time. Well,
Hindi kay man kay designer, hindi kay alalay?
Yes, that's the difference, because you will be overworked in
Abi ko wala ka
Working with
naka-design
locals.
for Filipino celebrities. May ara.
Mayroon ako isang nabayuan and it was very tiring.
Ihutik bisakon sino na laki ba? Sino na?
Karon lang, sir. Joke lang. Naka-NDA.
Si Apple the App. Name?
Yes, sir. Actually, ginpamanahan niya ko gani sa mga, mga cup and glasses.
Danay pa klaruhon ta. Ginhatagan.
Yes, sir.
Kaya ang ginamban mo ginpamanahan kan kung sa ilonggo karon pakaslan niya ka.
Sa
Toon.
bagay.
Anong ginhatag si mo kalo?
Ang cup, kag ang glasses.
Nami siya.
Okay man, sir.
Si Sandara Park.
Si Sandara, actually, wala gid ko idea nga si Sandara part sang concert.
Pero buhi pa Sandara, no?
Yes, sir. Wala
Kido
ko
ka mo
kakilala.
sa Koreano subungan naghilikog, no? Kasi sunod-sunod lang.
Super.
Anyway,
Like, wala gid ko kabalo nga Sandara is there. So, ara ako sa comfort room. Tapos, pag ako sa comfort room, hamba ko, sino ni Saman? Tapos, hambal ko, hi, miss. Nagamulang ko na siya. Tapos, hambal niya sa akin, hindi mo ako kilala. Hambal ko, ay, sino po? Ako to, si in or out. Ay, okay. Naalala kita. Tapos, nagpa-picture na ako doon. Siyempre, pag sa concert, kung kisa may mga guest celebrities, surprise artists. So, wala gid ko kaya idea nga ara siya. So, ga-prepare ko sa mga clothes ya, ko. Pero, abi ko, lain nga Sandarang ginanamin sa concert. Kaya wala surname. So, that's the only times nang nakita ko siya nga siya si Sandara Park.
guwapa gid man siya.
Guwapa man siya, sir.
Toon. Si ganon nyo guwapa.
Sir?
Si ganon nyo. Din, mas guwapa ikaw kung siya.
Siya. Lamang ang may buho, sir.
Wow. Ang formal ka gid. Pwede to direct? Pwede to?
Di ba? It's up
Sige.
to them. Di ba?
Gani.
Buho sang ilong,
Yung
buho
sa
sang
bagay.
dulunggan.
Or
di ba?
buho siyang kwarta.
Yes.
Oo.
Same hole.
Working with celebrities, kung kaisa, ining pagtrabaho mo with Hollywood celebrities, saan mo lang natabo ni?
It happened around October 2024.
Oh.
Until tuloy-tuloy na siya.
Wow. So, galakat ka gina?
Manila, sir. So,
Manila.
mostly of their concert are being done here.
Anong namian mo kay Neo?
Aside from his
Sa kanta ya?
very humble, sa song niya. Actually, he has a big influence sa akon. Kaya siyang ginapamatian ko since 2008.
Ano nga kanta?
Miss Independent. Umugin na siya. So,
Pero
very-
pagka-meet mo siya, na-starstruck ka?
Actually, do halos tanan man sila, sir. Gaka starstruck gid ko. Kay tungod nga, I idolize them. And gakakita
Pero
ko lang
sinugid
sila.
ang celebrity nga doon naglumpat-lumpat nga daw fan girl.
Neo.
Tuod, anong singgitan mo?
OMG.
Tuod?
Super. Tapos nagpa-picture gid ko.
Dako siya nga tawo.
Super. Dako gid siya, sir. Mga 6 flat guro. Muna.
Ooh.
As in.
Wow. Do ka ba na ball?
Pwede man. How I wish to. If miracles gonna happen, then why not?
Diba? Diba? Interesting. So, Neo, ang namian ko sa iya nga, so sick of love songs eh.
Yes.
Diba? Anyway, Apple the App, anong namian mo yan kay Apple as an artist?
Apple, very humble man. Speak man siya Tagalog. Tapos, ang abi sila, sir, hindi sila demanding to work with. Like, they're very calm. They will just only give you an enough time to do your things. And then after that given time, you need to focus on the job. And after, pag natapos mo ng job, you can watch the concert or you can watch
Ooh.
their, their performance.
May libre, automatic, may libre ka ng ticket.
Naka-all access man ang sir.
Wow! All access.
Ang ID.
Oh, so pwede nga sa likod ka, sa backstage ka?
Pero usually, they are always telling me to go in front to watch the performance.
Wow. Wow. So, kay sino performance kid pinakanamian mo?
Pinakanamian ko nga performance, sir. Neo, ganyan. I will be
Neo.
biased.
Kakabayas.
I'll be biased.
Si Apple yaw.
Okay man, sir, namin man ang performance nila. Pero I can really relate to R&B music.
Oh, wow. Karomantic sa imo. R&B. Well, anyway, ano pang ipamangkot ko sa imo man? Anong pag-iniban nga ambisyon mo sa kabuhi? You're 25, you're now in the big city, naka-design. Pero does it pay well kung mag-design ka for international celebrities than just doing designer clothes?
I think it both depends. If you can have everything, then why not? Because as an artist, you need to very strategic. Not all the time may mapaubra si mo, gown. And not all of the time you have clients. So you always need to roam around. You always need to be strategic enough and left no stones unturned. So if you can offer RTW on your shop where people and clients can come and choose to, then why not? So for me, people shouldn't be limited with a single thing if we could have options to choose from.
So, kung sa simpleng istorya, dapat rakitera ka niya.
Yes, dapat. So, if pwede ka man mag-RTW, why not? Have it display in your shop. You never know what any opportunities or money might knock on your door.
Especially now nga mahal ng bugas kag isda.
Yes.
How do you find Victoria's? When was the last time nagkadto ka to?
The last time that I came sa Amonia City was 2022. So, diri na kami sa Deca Gasteiz.
Diri na sa
yes,
Kabog?
Sir. Kabog.
Kabog, oo. Anong na-miss mo sa Bacolod? Nga pagkaon?
Na-miss ko sa Bacolod ang piyaya.
Di ka nakapiyaya ka na, wala.
Wala pa, sir.
Why pa? Anyway. Ano pagit plano mo kanon?
Wala pa siya binag-reply, sir. Joke lang. Hindi, wala pa siya nag-reply. Kaya gina-order ko pa lang, di ba? Kansi.
Booking naman.
Wala, sir, kansi.
Utok?
Nag-order ko kansi sa
Utok?
Tupad Balay naman.
Utok? Hindi na mag...
In-order ko pa lang sa Tupad Balay naman.
Ay, Ginoo. Anyway, Precious, thank you for
Thank you,
sharing your
sir.
story with us. And for those who don't know, pila pa lang tong edad mo nga pamangkot ka journalism sa akon?
2016 or 2017. I was only 16 years old. Yes, and wala ka nag-hesitate to mentor me that time, and you didn't even ask anything from me. That's why I always admire your works and your craftsmanship. Even before, when it comes pag-aubra ka sa mga videos, intro pa lang, the way you put intros, naka-screenshot pa na ganit sa akin na
Yeah. Maria Precious, formerly known as
Ferdinand
Gruspe, thank you for the time.
Thank you,
and
sir.
I wish you all the best
Thank you.
dito sa QC. And say hi to QC for me,
Yes, sir.
especially Timog.
They wave back.
Especially Timog and QC Circle. Kaya dira ko sa una,
Yes,
galibot-libot Lapit sa Mother Ignacia. Anyway, Precious, salamat once
Thank
again.
you
And I
also,
hope to
sir.
see you when you return to Bacolod.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Salamat, kid.
This episode is powered by DTX 500 and Clinica D3 Bio.